So, morning feeding time at Teak Lake. It's about 6:30. Just putting a bit of bread in, giving the beasts something to eat. As you can see, it's not exactly devoid of fish. See if we can see any of the big ones. Maybe I stand back a bit. So what can we see? Why should I put my Polaroid glasses on? So certainly some big pacu coming up.
Sorobin there, taken off the surface.
To what? Sorobin?
Sorobin, yeah. It's the hybrid cross.
Ah.
Red-tail, shovel-nosed tiger cross.
Oh, I see.
The tambaki, you can usually hardly see them because they tend to suck it.
Yeah, that's the problem. It's hard working out what it is.
Yeah. All you see is the bread disappear, but the pacu more attack the bread.
Yeah.
Some of the young arapaima are sucking it in, but they tend to spit it out again.
A little look around the lake. The noise they're making.
It's not exactly delicate feeding, is it?
Oh, just missed that one.
Actually, this can be quite fun with fly rod with some imitation bread.
Imitation bread. So we're coming to when we're imitating bread.
Isn't it a bad sign, yeah. White rabbit fur.
It's all just close to the bank now. They don't really want to
No, they don't come in.
see me.
It's that bright t-shirt, I think.
Bright.
That's the sort of it. Couldn't get much closer to the bank than that. Actually, it's a mistake a lot of people make when they're fishing, is to avoid the margin fish.
Yes.
Most people want to cast into the middle or to the far side.
They like to feed around the edges.
Yeah.
Even the edge close to you.
Mornings and evenings they certainly patrol the margins a lot.
Okay. Leave them in peace to enjoy the rest of their bread.